Bola has approved at level 1. Now the second and final approver, Tond, signs in to give the final sign-off. Like every approver, Tond first sets up his own PIN and signature in his profile. He sets his 4-digit approval PIN. Then he uploads his signature image, enters his PIN and saves it. He opens the voucher approvals queue. The voucher Bola approved is now waiting here at level 2. He adds his comments, uses his saved signature with his PIN, and gives the final approval. Both levels are now approved, so the voucher is fully authorized. The payment team, either in finance, is notified automatically to release the payment. That completes the approval workflow we built, from start to finish.